Hi, I am happy to welcome you all to the today's English class. And in the today's class, we are going to concentrate on a grammar topic. The topic which we have in the back of our lesson is articles, and specifically definite article. Articles, I hope you have known the basics of it, and articles, we have two articles. One is definite article and another one is indefinite article. What's the indefinite and definite article? Articles are used to define the noun, whether it is specific or unspecific. It's like whether it is already known or not known. That's the difference between these two articles. Indefinite articles, it's unspecific, and definite articles, in the other hand, it is specific. And today we are going to concentrate on the topic definite article. Definite article defines the noun as a specific one, as an already known one. And how to use definite article, where to use definite article, and when to use definite article. That's what we are going to see some of its rules today in this class. Let's start. I told you the is the definite article. Definite article, the. It is to define a noun that is already known or that is specific. And we have some rules. The first rule here is when we think that there is one of something in an area, even if it has not been mentioned earlier. If there is only one thing in that place, and this is a classroom, we have only one table, and a student came to me and asked me, where is my book? I can say that your book is on the table. I can tell you that your book is on the table. So here I am specifically mentioning that we have only one table in that classroom, and I am mentioning that table. Your book is on the table. Good. The next one, when we talk about something which has already been mentioned. If we speak about a thing which we have already discussed, and there you can use definite article. Let us see an example. This is the house. This is the house that I spoke about over the phone. Yes, I had already spoken about that home over the phone, and now I am mentioning that home and showing it to my friend. This is the house. This is the very house that I spoke about over the phone. Yes, which has already been mentioned. And the third rule here is when we refer to people or things that are different from everyone and everything else. Yes, that is unique one. If there is only one thing in this world, that you can use the definite article. Example, the sun rises in the east. How many suns do we have? Only one. The sun rises in the east. We have only one direction called east. The east. The sun rises in the east. And the fourth rule given here is before superlatives. Superlatives, I hope you know the basics of it, and that is the EST form of words. Biggest, fastest, and sometimes we use most before that word. Most beautiful, most enthusiastic, and before those words we have to use the definite article the. Example, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Largest, superlative, we have used the definite article the. The rule is clear. And the last rule, before ordinal numbers. What are ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers are those that defines the position. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, last, 10th, 11th, 12th. Yes, it defines the position. When we use those ordinal numbers, we can use the definite article the. The first chapter of Little Women was so interesting. The first chapter of Little Women was so interesting. Good. That's all. Today we have seen 5 rules. and in the next class I am going to teach the remaining 5 rules. We have totally 10 rules in defining the definite article. I repeat, definite articles are used to define the noun as a specific one. And that's all for the today's class. Thank you for watching this video.